Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 9 Metaverse jobs that will exist by 2030. 1. Metaverse Research Scientist. AR and VR research scientists are already a staple of top universities and major tech companies, but as the metaverse becomes a widely accepted idea, they will need more brainpower. Metaverse research scientists will need to build something akin to the theory of everything, where the entire world is visible and actionable digitally. This already exists, but the future holds much bigger. Candidates will need to be able to build, scale prototypes using technology at the confluence of computer vision algorithms for 3D computational photography, neural rendering, scene reconstruction, computational imaging, visual inertial odometry, state estimation, sensor fusion, mapping and localization. This architecture will be the foundation for all other use cases, such as games, adverts, quality control in factories, connected health, DeFi. 2. Metaverse Planner. The Metaverse Planner is an important tool for companies to plan and implement functionalities into a fully virtual world. It helps CEOs set a vision and strategy for the creation and growth of their business metaverse revenues, and drives a strategic portfolio of opportunities from proof of concept to pilot to deployment. This includes identifying market opportunities, building business cases, influencing engineering roadmaps, and developing key metrics. You know the fun stuff. A planner could decide if a car company should focus on virtual driving tests or digital twin business to predict breakdowns. 3. Ecosystem Developer. The metaverse will need to be built around an ecosystem of sensors, CPUs, GPUs, KYC processes, data lakes, green electricity production, edge computing, laws, regulations, and more. This will be no easy task, similar to the car industry transitioning to electric vehicles. The biggest obstacle to their adoption is the lack of charging stations and the constant evolution of battery capacities. We could have the software and hardware to have a metaverse, but still be lacking everything else. The ecosystem developer is responsible for coordinating partners and governments to ensure the metaverse customer is able to use their virtual items across different experiences. They will push for governmental investments in infrastructure and animate large communities of actors. Financial institutions will need to back distributed ledger technologies and smart contracts for goods and services to be exchanged on the platform. 4. Metaverse Safety Manager. The metaverse will not be a safe place for everyone, but there are opportunities for it to be a safe, inclusive place. These include privacy, in-world ID verification, safe headgear, and adequate sensors. The Metaverse Safety Manager will provide guidance and oversight during design, validation, and mass production stages, making sure the digital world meets or exceeds regulatory safety requirements without sacrificing functionality or design. The most important details are that metaverse functionalities will need to be accurately predicted and identified, and safety-critical components, systems, and manufacturing steps must be identified. This will be a complex task due to the complexity and number of moving parts in the digital world. 5. Metaverse Storyteller. The Metaverse Storyteller is a person in charge of designing immersive quests for users to explore the metaverse, training scenarios for the military, hard-to-spot marketing opportunities, narratives for corporations, psychology sessions, and more. This person will be responsible for designing immersive quests, training scenarios, marketing opportunities, and psychology sessions to help users learn and grow in the digital world. They may not be paid well, but they will be selling narrative arcs to millions of people to escape the drudgery of everyday life. 6. World Builder. The role of world builders is to create entire worlds. Think Ellen Page in Inception. This role requires many of the same skills as video game designers, but with a different set of rules and ethics. World builders must be forward-thinking and facing, as much of what they dream of won't yet exist in the form of a technology or product solution. They must also consider rules and ethics, such as whether it is okay to kill someone in it or commit war crimes. 7. Ad blocking expert. Facebook earns money from subscriptions and advertisements, while Instagram's advertisements are both effective and intrusive. The metaverse will operate in a similar manner, with a vast collection and the ability to follow people around the world. Ad blockers need to be sophisticated enough to detect advertisements that are actually embedded in reality, similar to AdBlock Plus. Ad blocking experts can create plugins that can prevent advertisements from appearing, similar to the AdBlock Plus strategy. They may not receive much pay, but with contributions and access to data, they may be able to survive. 8. Metaverse cybersecurity. The metaverse is an ideal target for scams and cyberattacks, requiring metaverse cybersecurity experts to prevent assaults in real time and make sure laws and procedures are reviewed, modified, and possibly even created to take into account all of the dangers. It is likely that virtual intrusions will turn into actual legal disputes. 9. Metaverse hardware builder. The metaverse will be constructed using sensors, cameras, and headphones, such as sensors that can detect when someone is in a bad mood, headsets that simulate a summer day, and depth cameras, visible light cameras, inertial measurement units, and other tools for tracking, mapping, and localization. It costs a lot of money to build the hardware required to make a digital universe that interacts with the real world, and as the metaverse develops, a metaverse hardware builder will be required to put it together and modify it. Sensors are currently developed for use in manufacturing processes and the automotive sector, and whoever creates the technology for the metaverse must ensure it can be produced affordably and securely. These are just a few of the many jobs that will exist in the metaverse by 2030. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting opportunities arise. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.